Guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're gonna be talking about why I started a channel, and we're gonna be showing you my fishing stuff for tomorrow that I'm planning on. Alright, hold on. We're back. Okay, so as I was got my gear for school and tomorrow. I usually bring this every time I go to my school. Lunch break. I got this Dollarama. It's very nice. So I just put my camera in it. If I don't bring it, I'll put it on like a log or a rock or something. Yeah, but that's neat game. I got some mustard hooks for pan fishing trout. That's really clever, man. I need stinker. I have power bait for bass, not for steelhead trout or salmon. We got the netting, the screening, I guess, they use for trout and salmon. This is 8-pound test. My uncle gave this to me a while back when I went to his place during the summer. 8 pound. This is good for trout. They won't be able to see it. Oh. My small little trout tackle box. Hold on. Give me a minute. Okay, so what we have here are spinners, power baits, crankbait, rebel crankbait, bucktails, spinners, giant spoon, hooks, jig heads, weights, spoons, and then bucktails. And that's it. That's kind of the important part, the story of my life, basically, and how I made that channel. So basically what happened was, ever since I was 3 or 2, my father got me under the influence of fishing. I thought, when I was like 2 or 3, I was like, I thought it was boring. I thought it was nothing. Oh, you're just catching fish. That's it with a net. Zip, 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 zip. I didn't know you have to use hooks and stuff. And my father got me into that. That's when I started doing it more, and I realized it was starting to become a habit. And I've just been doing it for years and years and years. The thing is, I have like 11 tackle boxes, and every one keeps getting, or lures in there keep getting tangled. Fishing is also a great therapy. I start to realize. It keeps you occupied. Like if there's a day you're feeling down or something. So, great therapy. Calms your nerves. And I made a channel. I always wanted to make one since I was like the age of like 11 or 10. Seen a lot of fishing guys on YouTube. Why are starting to do the same? There's a lifestyle I grew up with.